Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Z3 Pro Professional Anti-Snoring Device. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Basically, it helps you with your snoring, sleep apnea, marital tension, wake-up fatigue, waking up in the middle of the night, and sleeping in separate rooms. So as you can see, it looks like this. So it has a patch right here. So how to use, so please shave off the stubble on your chin to the throat to ensure cleanliness and freshness. The groove gel patch faces the throat. Apply both hands to the chin and you put it below your chin like this, and after turning on the product, absorb into the electrode plate. I don't know what that's supposed to do. So as you can see, they're only rated 2.8 out of 5 stars for 6 ratings. So as you can see, don't buy, waste of money, doesn't do anything. Love the product. Novo Nord is junk, scam. And I would advise you not to buy this product since it's very sketchy and there's no scientific evidence backing this up that it can help you with your snoring. So please, if you are suffering from sleep apnea or snoring, please go to a doctor and do not use this product since it is very shady and is most likely a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.